Well, that's it. Our program that develops basic turtle shapes is now complete. These are all of our functions. Now it is time to test our final product. First of all, let's try our square command that develops a square when you give the side. There you go. We have a square with 100 pixel side. Now let's try our next command, circle. So let's give the circle's radius as 100 and run the program. And as you can see again, we have a perfect circle with 100 pixel radius. Now the next command is the triangle, which makes an equilateral triangle. Let's give the side as 50 pixels. And as you can see here, there's an equilateral triangle on the screen with the side of 50 pixels. After the triangle, there's the hexagon. Now, the hexagon simply draws a hexagonal shape, which is regular, meaning that all the sides and angles are equal. Now, we must specify the side length in pixels as with the other commands. Let us say that we want a side of 50 pixels. Let's run the program again. And there you go, a hexagon. Now let's make a regular shape using our regular shape function. In the regular shape function, we have to specify the number of sides and the length of each side. So let's say we want a decagon, meaning 10 sides, and the length of each side can be 50 pixels. Let's run the program and see how our shape looks like. Let's run the program and see what our shape looks like. There you go, a 10-sided shape with 50 pixels as its side. Finally, we have our Fibonacci spiral. The Fibonacci spiral, if you didn't know, is found everywhere in nature. It is a spiral formed using the radiuses of the Fibonacci numbers. As you can see, our Fibonacci spiral has started. This pattern is similar to that of a snail shell. And there you go, that's the program over. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you next time.